Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. This one's called Accessing Object Properties with Bracket Notation. So we can use a bracket notation like this to access the specific property value in an object. And here's how it looks like. So we have an object here, and we want to, let's say we want to access Kirk. We just do my object, bracket, and then name the property here. And this is specifically more useful than a dot one because it takes into account space. And if we can't do this with just a dot and having the space, so this is why you would want to use bracket notation. So for this exercise, that it wants us to read the properties of an entree and the drink and set those values equal to these variables. So for the entree one, we just do test object, bracket, and then now we do inside of a string, the name of it. So an entree. And now for the drink value, we do bracket, the drink. And that'll be all. Thank you so much.